Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Asana desktop app and manage projects faster, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Asana desktop app, first, open your preferred web browser. Type Asana desktop app download in the search bar. Click on the official Asana website link that appears in the search results. Once on the Asana homepage, look for the Get Started button in the top right corner. Click on this button to navigate to the sign up page. If you already have an account, click on Login instead. Enter your credentials to access your Asana account. After logging in, find the download link for the desktop app, usually located at the bottom of the page. Click on the download link to begin the download process. Depending on your operating system, it may prompt you to save the file. Choose a location on your computer to save the installer. Once the download is complete, navigate to the saved file location. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. After installation is complete, open the Asana desktop app. Log in using your existing Asana credentials. With the app open, you can start creating and managing projects more efficiently. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Use the project templates to kickstart your workflow. You can also create tasks and subtasks to break down your projects. Add due dates, assign team members, and attach files for better organization. Utilize the calendar view to keep track of important deadlines. Take advantage of the comments section on each task for team collaboration. Explore integrations with other tools to enhance productivity. Regularly check your dashboard for updates and progress tracking. With the Asana desktop app, managing projects can be streamlined and efficient. Now that you have the app installed, you're ready to tackle your projects like a pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.